I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down.
Hey guys, I'm Ashi here back with another video. So, MI launch event is few days away. So, a lot of expectations from this MI launch event. So, we can expect the MI 8 smartphone and the MI UI 10 new version of MI UI, and also the MI Band 3 and also the Redmi 6. So, a lot of expectations on the May 31st. The MI launch event is going to held on China on May 31st. So, there are a lot of expectations. So in this video, let us talk what we expect from the May 31st in Redmi launch event. So first, let us discuss about the Mi 8 smartphone. Yes, the Xiaomi's flagship smartphone. We come across a lot of rumors and leaks about the Mi 8 smartphone. So let us discuss about the features of the Mi 8 smartphone. Specifications of the smartphone. The device may come with 6.2-inch display with the full HD plus resolution. Through the aspect ratio is not known, but according to the leaked images, it has a huge notch like the iPhone X. And also the smartphone comes with Snapdragon 845 SoC, we already know, and it comes with 6GB and 128GB internal storage, and it comes with Android Oreo 8.1 out of the box. And the smartphone packs a 3300 mAh battery with a quick charge. So the Mi 8 smartphone has a dual camera setup on the back side with the vertical dual camera setup with 20 plus 16 megapixel on the rear side, and it has 16 megapixel front camera. So according to these specifications, every flagship phone has these specifications commonly, but the Mi 8 has two more flagship specifications. The first one is under display fingerprint sensor, and another one is advanced face ID. So first, advanced face ID. Let us talk about the Mi 8 advanced face ID. So this is not real. So according to rumors I am talking. So the Mi 8 is rumored to get Apple iPhone X face ID. So in Apple, the face ID is very advanced with the depth sensing. So that technology is used in Mi 8. So the Mi 8 is also rumored to get face setup like the iPhone X. And the next one was under display fingerprint sensor. So when I am talking with under display fingerprint sensor, you probably think about the Vivo smartphones, because Vivo was the first company to bring under display fingerprint sensor. But the Mi 8 is the second brand to bring under display fingerprint sensor. In May 31st launch event, the Mi 8 is rumored to get under display fingerprint sensor. So as per the rumors and leaks, according to the rear, there is no fingerprint sensor on the rear side. But according to rumors, the Mi 8 smartphone will come with under display fingerprint sensor. So on the May 31st, the Mi 8 is going to launch by Xiaomi. So let us wait on the day as these rumors are true or not. So by the way, according to the rumors, these are the specifications of the Mi 8, and also there are two more flagship features on Mi 8 like Apple Face ID and the under display fingerprint sensor. So if that is true, Mi 8 will rock the event. Many of you are fan of Mi UI because it contains a lot of features where Indian people like most. So in Mi UI 10 also there are a lot of new features according to rumors. So the Mi UI 10 is equipped with artificial intelligence. So and also recently Xiaomi released the teaser that it has voice assistants like Google Assistant. So let us see the Mi UI 10. So here are the some devices which are compatible for the Mi UI 10. So let me read. So the devices like Mi 6, Mi 4, Mi 5 and Mi 4, Mi Mix 2 and Mi Note 3, Mi Max and Mi Max 2 and Mi Mix 2S, Redmi 4, Redmi Y1, Redmi Y1 Lite, Mi Note 2, Mi Note 3, Redmi 5A, Redmi Note 5, Redmi 6X and Redmi Note 5 Pro and the Redmi Note 5 and the Redmi Note 4 and the Redmi S2 and few more devices. So these devices rumored to get Mi UI 10 update. And the next one, we can expect the Mi Band 3. So recently in the launch event of Mi 6X, I think some employee of the Xiaomi, maybe vice president I think, so he wore the Mi Band 3 and he attended to the launch event. So here are the leaked images of Mi Band 3. So you don't expect more from the MI Band 3. So the features of MI Band 3 will be as the same features of MI Band 2 but little more added features. So I think MI Band 3 will be priced around 2000. And the next one was Redmi 6. So Redmi 6 was rumored to launch on May 31st, but there is no official confirmation that Xiaomi launched Redmi 6 on the May 31st launch event. So I now need to talk about Redmi 6 because it was not official till now. So this is the video about the MI launch event on May 31st. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and take care.